Hello, my name is Sanchita, and I just delivered my baby girl on 29th of April. On 29th April at night, and in the wee hours at 2:30 a.m. So I was very happy coming here. Like till now, my experience is amazing. Like right from taking the treatment of my motherhood journey up to now from Dr. Vrushali Pillai. I was very anxious about how things will go, but right from taking the treatment, like every follow-up session, so my experience with Nimai's Borneo hospital was amazing, and I can't think of a better experience coming apart from coming here. So the thing is, in the wee hours, my water broke at 12:35, and I stay a few kilometers away from this hospital. So what I did is, like we reached the hospital at 1:30, and my labor pain was at the peak, and since this is my first delivery, everything was very new to me. So right the moment I entered the hospital, from that moment, the way the staff welcomed me, or they had addressed my pain, and they took me to this LDRP suite. And like, because when I entered the LDRP suite, I was I was conscious, but what happened is, what I had imagined about the labor room was a completely different mindset. I had imagined all the typical operation theatre, but when I entered this room, it was like a hotel room to me. So in that pain also, I was like, oh, how will they treat me? I can't see any preparations, and my peak is like the labor peak is the labor pain is at the peak. But within 10 minutes, my doctor had arrived, and the staff had done all the arrangements in a couple of minutes, I can say.
मतलब हॉस्पिटल में एंटर करने के बाद ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा था कि ये टिपिकल हॉस्पिटल है. मतलब उसका जो क्लीनलीनेस है, वो टिपिकल जो स्मेल आता है फेनेल का या वो जो क्लीनर का, वैसा कोई स्मेल नहीं है. एकदम क्लीन मेंटेन किया है. और ये सूट तो ऐसे है कि आपको ये एक लिविंग रूम जैसा मिल जाता है, जो आपको होमली फीलिंग देता है. मतलब यहाँ पे आने के बाद हम लोग ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि हम लोग को अभी घर जाना चाहिए, घर से अप डाउन करना है. सिंपली एक बैग लेके आओ, रखो, 2-3 दिन यहाँ पे रहो, और फिर बेबी के साथ हैप्पीली घर पे चले जाओ. तो
आणि हार्डली आम्ही 12:30ला इथे आलो. विदिन 10 मिनिट्सच्या आतमध्ये तिला इतकं फास्ट सिस्टरनी सगळ्यांनी इथून, डॉक्टर तर अगदी विदिन मला वाटतं 8-9 मिनिटांमध्येच आमच्या पाठोपाठ ते आले असतील. आणि इतकं त्याच्या डिलिव्हरीच्या वेळेला आम्ही बाहेर जे त्यांचं बोलणं ऐकत होते, मी पण एक आई आहे, माझे पण एवढे एक्सपिरियन्स आहेत, अनुभव आहेत आयुष्याचे, तर त्यामुळे मला इतकं डोळ्यातून आनंद वाहत होते की असे डॉक्टर्स आपल्याला भेटायला सुद्धा एक नशीब लागतं. आणि मी खरंच थँक्यू बोलणार नाही, कारण डॉक्टर हा आमच्यासाठी भगवंताचा अवतार असतो. आणि मी त्याच वेळेला लिटरली माझ्या मुलीला त्यांनी हार्डली 1 तासाच्या आणि बेटा डिअर पुश ज्या पद्धतीने बोलत होते ना, तर मला तर असं वाटत होते की नाही, डॉक्टर नाही आहे ते, हा कोणतरी भगवंताचाच अवतार आहे.
My blessing, I can say, it was like within 1 hour, like from 1:45, the doctor started treating me with the help of all the aides and all the support staff of this Borneo hospital. And like I delivered at around 2:25, like at 2:25 a.m. my baby was in my hands, and generally I'm not much emotional, but when they placed my baby into my hands, like that was a very epic moment, I can say, the best moment of my life, I can say. So, and the main Borneo hospital had made the arrangements so well, like they did not waste even a couple of minutes, like right from the availability of the pediatricians, right from the supporting staff, nurses and all, like right from the helping aunties also who were available here, like they were cleaning me, they were giving me all the support, they were also helping me to the encouragement they were giving me to to right from saying push, and yes, the doctor was also amazing, and like all the right. So what I can say is, right from the infrastructure to the support staff to the food to the medical aid, everything was just amazing.
हम लोग एकदम यहाँ पे आने के बाद एकदम ऐसा लगा कि कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा डिलीवरी में हम लोग को.
So I would recommend that if anybody who wants this wants to experience the same motherhood feeling, I will definitely recommend them to Borneo Hospital. Thank you.